Still thinking you need fancy software or a degree in animation to make awesome animated videos? Here's the good news: you don't. In this video, I'll show you how to create amazing animated stories using free AI tools. Yes, I said free. And yes, it takes a little time, but the results? Totally worth it. No fancy software, no overwhelm, just pure magic. Plus, a smarter way to bring your ideas to life. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing I need is an idea. I'm in ChatGPT and I've asked it to imagine itself as an experienced and successful story writer. I prefer to give my prompts a profession to get better results. So I've asked it to imagine it is an experienced and successful storybook writer, etc. My story idea is about Sasquatch, who's teaching listeners the best way to play hide and seek in 4 or 5 scenes. Then it created this, including the title, overall tone and length. It also divided it into 4 scenes and gave me image prompts. It even gave me dialogue. Then I asked it to give me more detailed prompts. So now that I've got all this information, I'm ready to go on to the next step, which is actually starting to make the story images. Let's go there next. Now I'm in Canva using a free account. Next, I'll go to Video, click on that, and choose Landscape. Then I'll click here and add 4 pages. Let's see what's new. Oh wow, look at this. This is new since I was here last. So now you can make all of these things from here. I have 4 pages in my video and I need to create my artwork. Now I'll go down here and click on Magic Media. Here are the options to create images, graphics, or videos. I'll put my prompt in here and click Go. Let me go grab my prompt. I'll grab this first one and put it right here and choose Landscape. For my style, I'll choose Playful. Here's my prompt. Let's click Generate and see what happens. Canva will make 4 at a time. Okay, these are all very cute. For now, I'll leave them all on the page. I'll tell you why in a second. If you click on Generate again without saving these images first, you'll lose them forever. For now, I'll put each of these on the page and save them in case I need them later. I'll use this as my placeholder page. Then I'll do the same thing with all my other images until I'm done, and I'll also enlarge them to fill up the page. So all these extras, I'll just hang on to them in case I need them in the future. That's why I like to save them for now. There, so now I've got all my images done, and I'm ready to go on to the next step. Now I am in a free text-to-speech recorder called Text-to-Speech OpenAI. I'll show you how to use this. This is where you put your prompts. These are the voices you can choose from. If you want to listen to them, you just click on Sample. Next, I'll put my text here. I'll choose my voice. Make sure it's highlighted. I'll add my text here. Then click on Create Speech. Now it's creating my recording. Now it's done. If you want to hear it, click here. To download it, click here. Okay, so now I'm ready to put this into my video. So let's go back and add it in. I also added an image for the intro and one at the end. My saved ones are at the end, and I did use a few of them. So let's grab my narration and drag it into Canva, and I'll click on this. So there is my audio I just recorded. First, I'll make it a little louder, and I'll split this up to fit my scenes better. So I'll listen and break the audio up where needed. To do that, just right-click, then hit Split Audio. There we go. And now I'll move these around to fit the story. If you click here, you can add a transition or add a page. Here are the different transitions you have to work with. I think for now, I'll choose Circle Wide, and I'll put it between all pages. Next, I'll click on Animate. Here are some different effects you can choose. I'll choose a photo zoom. I'll make each of these pages a little different to make it more interesting. Next, I'll go to Elements and add some leaves. If you see these and you're on the free plan, don't use the ones with crowns, because you'll have to pay for them. I'll choose this one. And since he's in the forest, I'll add that on all of the pages. Lastly, I'll shift these around a little. So now that I've got it all done, The next thing I'm going to do is download. I don't need all of these pages, but I want to save them because I might need them for another video later. So I'll show you how to download this, but only the video pages. So we only need to download pages 1 through 6. So here's how to do it. Go to Share and click. Go to Download. Make sure MP4 is chosen. Important. Right here where it says Pages, you don't want to select all. So select only the first 6 pages, and now click Done and Download. And that's how you download only certain pages. Now it's time to watch the final product.
Shadows are your best friend. No one looks in the shade. First rule of hide and seek, blend in. I once hid as a bush for an entire summer. Next up, distractions. Toss a pine cone that way, then hide the other way. I may be huge, but I once hid in a bird bath. Think big, hide small. But the best trick, when they're close, freeze, like a statue. Don't even blink. Now you know my secrets, just don't tell the squirrels.
All right, now you've got the basics. So what's next? Making animated videos with AI? Total game changer, but it can get confusing fast. And there's so much to learn. That's why I put together this next video to walk you through the exact steps, no fluff. Click on that video I'm about to share with you in just a second, and I'll meet you over there. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.